video, I'm going to quickly run through the benefits of vitamin C. 5 good vitamin C serums that you can find on the Nykaa website. It protects our skin, it shields our skin to some extent from the sunlight, pollution and all that stress that's there in the environment. But just bear in mind, it's not a substitute for sunscreen. It helps to build collagen. Collagen is a protein in our skin which keeps our skin firm and strong. As the amount of collagen reduces, which happens when the skin ages, as the amount of collagen reduces in our skin, fine lines and wrinkles start appearing on our skin. So using ingredients like vitamin C can actually help build that collagen. And finally, it's a very good anti-pigmentation skincare ingredient. It can help fade those existing dark spots and prevent new ones from appearing on our skin. So with these benefits, it's actually going to brighten up our skin and make our skin much more healthier. Studies show that we need at least 8% vitamin C in a skincare product for it to be effective on our skin. For it to actually provide some good benefits to the skin, we need the concentration to be between 10% and 20%, and this is what a lot of good serums in the market have. And a vitamin C serum can be used both in the morning time or in the night time. The first product that I really like from the Nykaa website when it comes to vitamin C serum is the Minimalist 16% Vitamin C Face Serum. This product has 15% 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 acid and 1% ferulic acid. 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗃 is a very good derivative of vitamin C. The pure form of vitamin C is called 𝗙𝗥𝗃. Now, using 𝗙𝗥𝗃 in skincare ingredients is a bit hard because it's not very stable and it can make the product go stale very quickly. And so a lot of our skincare manufacturers use derivatives of vitamin C, and there are many derivatives, and one of the best derivatives in the market which almost gives the skin the same amount of benefits as the pure form of vitamin C is the 𝗙𝗙𝗃, and this Minimalist brand has used 15% 𝗙𝗙𝗃, so it's a good derivative which is used at a good amount. The product also has 1% vitamin E and ferulic acid. These two ingredients are really good in any vitamin C serum. They will kind of make the serum more powerful, and so that is a good thing as well in the serum, and there's no fragrance. So this is a good product. My second recommendation is actually from Nykaa, the Skin RX Illuminate 20% Vitamin C Serum. This product uses 20% 𝗙𝗙𝗃 and 1% hyaluronic acid. 𝗙𝗙𝗃, like I just mentioned for the previous product, is a very powerful ingredient, powerful derivative of vitamin C. And they've used 20%, which is a good amount, which is a bit on the higher side. So if you've never used vitamin C, or if your skin is a bit sensitive, you might find it a bit strong. Otherwise, 20% is a good amount of vitamin C, and it can deliver good benefits to the skin. Using hyaluronic acid is a good thing because hyaluronic acid adds hydration to the skin. So any ingredient which adds hydration to the skin when it's used in vitamin C serum always works well. The main benefit is going to come from the vitamin C, not from hyaluronic acid. So this is a good product. Again, the products that I've picked for this video are all very reasonably priced. I try to stay away from high-priced products intentionally because I personally believe that you don't need to go bankrupt just buying good skincare products, and there are a lot of good skincare products in the market which are very reasonably priced. The third product is a 𝗏𝗏𝗄 10% Vitamin C Serum. They've also used niacinamide. Niacinamide, when used in combination with vitamin C, is good because niacinamide also brightens our skin. It's an anti-pigmentation skincare ingredient. So any product which has got more than one good anti-pigmentation skincare ingredients in it is always a good thing. So again, this is a good product. The next product is a 10% vitamin C serum with ferulic acid from Deconstruct. It's going to fade those dark spots and brighten up the skin, just like all the other vitamin C serums that I mentioned in this video. Then the next one is again from Nykaa, but this one uses 10% 𝗙𝗙𝗃 and 5% niacinamide. The earlier one was using 20% 𝗙𝗙𝗃. So if you've got a bit of a sensitive skin or have never used vitamin C serum, so this is the product. The lower version of the product is what I would go for. It is a good derivative that they've used, and it's going to bring in all those benefits that I have been speaking about in this video. So those are my 5 recommendations. It's important to remember that a lot of skincare manufacturers mention vitamin C on the label, but that doesn't say much because a lot of fruit extracts, plant extracts also have vitamin C properties to some extent. So I have noticed that a lot of skincare manufacturers will use something like that and just put vitamin C blatantly on their label. So always look what's in the label, whether it's a pure form, 𝗏ascorbic acid or one of the derivatives. The good derivative, 𝗏ascorbic acid, is a good derivative. So check what they've actually used and then check the concentration, how much of this ingredient they've used, because that's the important thing when it comes to vitamin C serum. And another thing is, store your vitamin C serum not in broad sunlight, that will make it go stale. Always store it in a bit of a dark place. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.